Hi guys, I'm Renal.
Hi guys, this is Binafsha again.
And welcome to Trailer Reactions with Ren and Ben.
No, it's Ben and Ren.
Ren and Ben.
Okay, so tell them what we're gonna see today.
Today we're going to review the trailer of this new show that's coming out on MX Player. What date is it coming on?
12th of March.
12th of March. Do you know the name of this?
Chakravyuh. I know
Very
everything.
good.
What would you do without me?
A lot, apparently.
Let's watch the trailer of Chakravyuh.
Please watch it. Crime Branch, Mumbai.
अभी अभी ब्रेकअप हुआ है उसका आई थिंक यू गाइस शुड टोटली होगा
सारी वीडियोस है हमारे पास, सारी लड़कियों से पैसे निकलवाते हैं।
तुम्हारे सारे पैसे चुका चुकी हूँ ना, प्लीज बस अब और नहीं।
I hate shit like that.
क्लियर कर। क्राइम ब्रांच मुंबई। अभी राज और सागरिका का स्टेट मिला है क्षितिज के कंप्यूटर पे। दोनों मर्डर्स में डेफिनेटली कुछ कनेक्शन है।
डार्क वेब इंटरनेट का अंडरवर्ल्ड क्रिमिनल्स यूज करते हैं।
इस सारे अकाउंट्स को हैक करो।
ये कॉलेज में पढ़ने वाली लड़की इतनी सफाई के साथ मर्डर प्लान नहीं बना सकती। इसके साथ कोई है।
Hey Virkar, I wanted you to have the pleasure of looking at me.
समझ गया मैं।
ये एक टाइम बॉम्ब
24 घंटों में फटने वाला है। बहुत सारी लड़कियां रातों रात फेमस हो जाएंगी।
तुम्हारे लैपटॉप के कैमरे को हैक किया उसने। This guy is a pro। हमें किसी भी तरह गोल्डन टेम्पल एक्सप्रेस को रोकना होगा।
विरकर,
इस गेम के रूल्स मैं बनाता हूँ।
राज, क्षितिज, नयनतारा। I want all।
Virkar, enough is enough. You put another kid's life at risk.
सर, आपको जो करना है करो और मैं भी वही करूंगा जो मुझे करना है।
तुम ऑलरेडी बहुत कुछ कर चुके हो वीरकर। अगर वो बिना बाहर आ गया I'm dead।
उस ब्लैकमेलर के सारे पैसे एक हार्डवेयर वॉलेट में मेरे पास है। ये लेने वो मेरे पास जरूर आएगा।
तुम्हारे सामने अब सिर्फ एक ही रास्ता है।
उसे बोलो ये वीडियो लाइव करने से रोक दे।
You have broken the law. You are suspended.
Chakravyuh.
I don't have time for this shit.
An Inspector
बात बहुत जरूरी
Virkar
है।
crime thriller. Great. MX Player. What do you think about the trailer?
I like it though because see, I'm like a big fan of like thrillers anyway. So I like a show that's like, and like thriller shows more because I feel like that's a very difficult space to get into because you have to like contain the audience
gotta-
excitement for
yeah.
like a while. This one seems interesting. This one seems like that, like one of those shows that I would like be on the edge of at all
Yeah,
times.
see it.
Yeah. What do you think? Like, there's also like an internet space and all of that because
Yeah.
these days all of these things are very, very real also, like the whole dark web and hacking and stuff like that. What do you think?
I thought it was gripping. Like
Yeah.
I was like looking at it throughout, and I felt like, oh, I want to know what's coming next. I also
Yeah.
felt like the storyline is great because I think it's for a cause kind of a
Yeah.
thing. You know, it's required to kind of because nowadays social media can be used in the worst possible ways,
Yeah.
and you know, technology is really being used to its best potential as well as its
Worst.
bad potential.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's worst, you know. So I feel like it was needed, and I feel like if the story is executed well,
Yeah.
it can be like it can mean something to a lot
Yeah.
of people. It can scare the hackers, which is great.
Okay, but like, can we talk about the hotness that's Pratik Babbar got?
Okay, so I have always thought, honestly, respectfully,
Yeah, I don't think so. Respectfully.
so wife, respectfully,
But before that, you said always thought.
always thought respectfully that Pratik Babbar is one of the most good-looking men that we know of. You know, I also feel like his voice really adds to his personality.
That's true.
It's
That's true.
husky, it's fun.
सर, आपको जो करना है करो और मैं भी वही करूंगा जो मुझे करना है।
What do you think of his performance though? I mean, I feel like we haven't seen him in like a title, what do you call it? The protagonist role for a while now. It's sort of interesting to
He's
sort
made
of,
a comeback for sure
yeah.
in a lot of shows and movies.
Yeah.
And I feel like this one was a great idea because it revolves around him, and if he's pulled it off well, which I think he pretty much has,
Yeah.
from what we can gauge from the trailer of
Yeah.
the show.
I also want to talk about the music of the trailer though, because I don't know if this is going to be the music part of the show, but it's quite cool because I saw like these few parts where like it's cut so quickly And I also love trailers where like it's like tuck, 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 you know.
We've established that in the last
Thing also.
episode.
Yeah, we love cut to cut, fast stuff.
No, I like the feel of the whole trailer, honestly. I feel like I'd want to watch it. One, of course, because of the storyline that I told you about.
Yeah.
It's interesting, like, you know, and especially this thing where people think they can screw around with women
Yeah.
very easily, you know,
Yeah.
and in very like objectifying ways. So I feel like not only is the hacking part of it, not only is that the highlight of this of the show, but also the part where you feel like you can easily just, you know, do whatever the hell you want if it's a woman you're doing this with.
Is there like a particular part of the trailer that like stood out to you?
I thought the scene where there was this fast-moving train and then Pratik Babbar comes and he's like, he misses something, and you know, that part
Yeah.
was like cool. It was like, as we said, the cat and mouse chase, you know, I enjoyed that. I felt like it was a very, like, you know, such scenes in a trailer make me want to watch the show. Like,
Yeah.
what happened or what was that scene? Like, I want to know more about it because I saw a glimpse of it in the trailer. So I
Yeah.
felt like for me, that was something that you know, had me hooked. What did you like?
I mean, see, this might sound kind of silly, but then like I like when trailers make it like very like, you know, like when you like really want to watch something that's happening, they also like sort of like involve some emotion in you, like bring it out. The beginning of the trailer when they're like tuck, 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 you know, right before like it started, I really like that part.
Veerkar, Crime Branch, Mumbai.
Also, I really like the fact that when in a lot of shows, it's very important when there's a good guy and a bad guy. It's also very important to have like a solid, very, very good bad guy to sort of like
True.
bring the good guy out too, you know.
Hey Virkar, I wanted you to have the pleasure of looking at me.
समझ गया मैं आगे भौंक
ये एक टाइम बॉम्ब 24 घंटों में फटने वाला है बहुत सारी लड़कियां रातों रात फेमस हो जाएंगी
I've been watching like a few things that's been coming out on MX. I think they're doing a very good job at sort of redefining the whole genre of thriller and action and
Yeah.
fast-paced stuff and all
Yeah.
that. It's very cool because they also like this. Seems like there's a great solid storyline associated with the show.
I feel like they're coming up with content that is, you know, relevant, relatable, and at the same time, interesting to watch. You know,
Yeah.
there's not stuff where you're just like, oh, that's boring, or oh, we didn't enjoy that. There's
Yeah.
something that you want to see.
After watching the trailer, do you think when it comes out on the 12th of March, would you like to watch it?
For sure. I would definitely like to watch it.
I'd watch it too. I want to add one thing. Do you think this is Ren and Ben approved?
Ren and Ben approved.
The trailer.
Yes.
But is it Ren and Ben approved though? I like it. I'll watch it. I'll watch it on the 12th.
It's definitely Ben and Ren approved.
Ren and Ben approved.
Ben and Ren approved.
Please skip. Ren and Ben approved. Okay. But
Yeah, so it's and Ren approved.
listen, if you keep doing this, they won't even value our comments.
Yeah, no, we're just joking. We're amazing hosts. You
Yeah.
guys know that, you know?
Love you. Thank you so much.
Love you guys.
Tell them to come watch us again after this and when
Definitely.
we review more.
This has been a fun episode, just like the earlier one, and we'll be back soon.
On Ren and Ben. Thank you so much.
On
Bye.
Ren-